Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you Airtable Interface Designer tutorial. So how it basically works. So we got different kind of dashboard. Let me just actually go back to my dashboard. I'm going to be exiting this so you can see we can get started with AI. We have our templates, we have a quick upload and start from scratch if you want to do it with yourself. Now what we're going to be doing is I suggest you use this new AI feature that is really easy to use. Let's just say you want to build any library for enterprise SaaS company or anything, any asset library, or let's just say create a calculator tool for my e-commerce business. Anything you can type in here and it is going to be designing it for you. So you can see we have prototype tracking, we have bug tracking. Let's just actually try any of these. We have documentation management. You can upload your own data as well. Click on next, and now you just need to wait, and it is going to be loading up completely, and it is going to be coming up with your tool. So that's how it works, and I hope this is going to be helping you, and it is actually a lot of fun. Once it does, it's going to be generating our app.